Last election, आम्ही promise केलें लोकांक की that we will only concentrate on our constituency, that is Kurtori constituency, and we had promised the people we would do development. There were other things also which we assured. We will talk about it later on. Now we are talking of development works. Kurtori constituency, all major works I have completed for the last 6 months with the help of with all my supporters, with the help of the Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, all ministers, Vishwajit, then all Power Minister, Mr. Sudhin, जाऊं सगळे मिनिस्टरांगेन, including the government officials, including the secretariat staff, including the PWD staff, all staff, even at its lowest level. I have been working with them continuously for the last 6 months, and I believe 6 months continuous working or 8 months continuous working helped me do something in my constituency. After being grateful to everybody, I would like to tell you that we are having a virtual inauguration of all the works I have done in this tenure, from 2022 to this tenure. And I want to tell you that we have put a conscious effort to see that development takes place in our constituency. No wonder my critics have had a very, very long innings of talking against me. But when you do work, I believe that you don't have to talk. I believe that when you don't work, you have to talk. Therefore, we are doing virtual inauguration of all the works, right from upgradation of primary health center Kurtori, Maina Kurtori police station, laying of underground cabling, installation of new transformers, replacement of all pipes in Kurtori, that is the Kurtori village itself, then hot mixing of major roads, all major roads including Housing Board, Raya, everything, but some works will be pending because of underground cabling digging, fresh diggings, and Housing Board partly will be not done because of your Adani gas pipeline. Now we will take up soil conservation works we have taken. We have done a barn in Kamoli, almost of all the works. We will list out the entire works on that day. We have taken Kurtori football ground upgradation. We have taken Maina ground. We have handed over to the Panchayat. I have taken personal interest to hand over. Even the money deposited, I have deposited from my own sources. Why? Because I want the Maina ground to be under the Panchayat to see that more people have been benefited. Not that the sports department doesn't do. We have done WRD works. I have taken up. We have taken up a lot of more works are left. Agriculture we have done. We have introduced one more machine. We have introduced three more tractors. Now we are going to, after this I am going to, another machine I want to introduce of the harvesting machine. We have done a physiotherapy center which will shortly start from the 4th onwards. We have introduced 2 CSC centers, both one in Kurtori and one in Raya. Both the CSC centers are for the benefit of the public. We have instituted one thing, that we will not take entire commission in that thing. We would take up only 20% of the commission and official charges. The issue of CSC centers are that they can take the official rate as well as the commission of the equal amount. But we have decided to help the people. The public has to be benefited. The main motto was to see that we help the people. आमगे प्लॅन घालले की आमी लोकांक हेल्प करपाचें, आमगे लोकांक कितको बेनिफीट मेळपाचें. आनी हांव सगळ्यांक परतून एकदां आय वॉन्ट टू इनवायट एवरीबडी फ्रॉम माय कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी थ्रू दीस मिडियम ऑल्सो. हातशा येयाय, लीव असाइड डिफरन्सीस. इलेक्शन आनी 5 वर्सां आनी 2 वर्सां आहाय, तेदो लेट अस सी. पॉलिटिक्स तेदो करे, बट डेव्हलपमेंट सहभागी जाय. इट इज फॉर एवरीबडी. I am one MLA. There may be many MLAs like me, but I don't want to talk about others because I have decided. I have loka promise केला नाही की हांव मुंगले constituency आते. That means only Kurtori आमगे constituency आमी काम करतले म्हणून. And I have दुसरी constituency वचपा पासून आम. So सहभागी जाय. सगळ्यांक बेनिफिट मेळटा. हांव एक आमदार कोणाक केन्ना पॉलिटिक्स केला ना. तुम्ही म्हाका वोट मारला आनी कितें हांव केन्ना म्हणना. आमगे ऑफिस उदके आहाय, आमगे सॉइल सर्वीस उदके आहाय. सगळ्यांक आनी फ्रायडे 3 तारखेर 5 वरांचेर I am calling the chief minister is coming along with a few ministers also will come, and plus my MLAs also will come. I mean my colleagues MLAs will come also, and we want to showcase something that we have done. आम्ही कोणीच काम केला, टेबल टू टेबल हांवें फायल ऑन क्लियर केले. जेन्ना इतलें काम जाता इट इज नॉट इजी. हांव जाणा कितको हांवें चीफ मिनिस्टराक घराको पासून कितू पासो मारले, त्या घराको देखून सकाळीं स्वता 7 वरांचे वचून सायन मारपाक फायलो. आनी इतली मेहनत केल्या कित्याक आमी लोकां प्रॉमिस केल्लें. आमगेलें एक हें आहा ट्रस्ट, एक आमी लोकांगे विश्वास जो आमचे आहा तो विश्वास आनी बरो अखंड करपाक बरो मजबूत करपाक आनी वावतले. आमगे सगळे सपोर्टान म्हाका सपोर्ट आहा. म्हजे बरोबर डेप्युटी सरपंच आहा, बाब संजू आहा, बाब सदानंद पागलो आहा, बाब जुदास आहा, मागीर बाब एल्विस आहा, बाय बबिता, बाय सुनीता. आनी हाशाच आज आमी प्रेस केला कित्याक लोकांक कोडीत करपाक आमी कितको ते आख्खे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. सो वी लूक फॉरवर्ड हेंची न्ही, हेज्या मुखार आनी देखून काम करपाक आमगे इच्छा आहा. आमी लोकांक मागताय सदांच आमकां बरें काम करपाक आनी देवा कडेन मागताय आमी की आमी बरो यश दिवचो काम करपाक. वेन्यू अलेग्रिया, सॉरी आमगे वेन्यू 3 जानेवारी शुक्राराक अलेग्रिया हॉल मायणा. ऑल इनॉग्रेशन्स आमगेले सगळे पडे काम आहा आमी वर्च्युअली करताय, सायटीर वचून करपा नाय, बिकॉज इट विल नॉट बी पॉसिबल इन जस्ट 2-3 hours.
जे गुर्जरीक जितले तें डेव्हलपमेंट केला पळय तेका कॉस्ट ऑफ रुपीज कितले जाता
ते तूं सांगलें बरें तुका. तें आज सांगलें जाल्यार तेका मातशें तें हें वयतलें. आमी तेतूच सांगताय तुका, तेतूच तुका सगळी लिस्ट दिता तुका कितले डेव्हलपमेंट जाला, कितले कॉस्ट, एवरीथींग. येस,
हावसिंग बोर्ड एरियेक तो एक रोड केला तेका लागून तुका प्रेस करता.
ना काय ना 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 इट इज लायक दीस. सी देर आर मोर रोड्स टू बी डन. आय डोंट वॉन्ट प्रेजीस, दॅट्स माय जॉब, बट इट वॉज रियली नेसेसरी. म्हाका मुगे एक हें आहा, मुगे एक विश आहा की हावसिंग बोर्डान देखून इवन वेन हांव पयले पाट आमदार जाता सगळें हॉट मिक्सिंग केलां आमी. आतां सगळें हॉट मिक्सिंग कंप्लीट करपाक, इवन बारीक बारीकसो रोड ओन्ली ते अदानी गॅसा लागून इल्लोसो उरला. कित्याक म्हाका तें एक पाट मुगे मातशें एक आहा, आय वॉन्ट ओन्ली वन थिंग. हांव फोंडलो रोस्त एक पाट हॉट मिक्स केलो, म्हाका फोंडपाक कोंता येना. आनी जोरी तो तें देंव ना जाल्यार बोस ना जाल्यार तेका हें पडटा, कितें आहा तेका डिप्रेशन पडटा आनी बायक्स मागीर पडटा. आय डोंट वॉन्ट पीपल टू एब्यूज मी आफ्टर आय डू अ रोड. I have no problem if they abuse me before I do the road, but I don't want anybody to abuse me after.
पॉझिटिव्ह सायन कित्याक की लोक प्रेस करतात कामाच्या स्टँडर्डा लागून.
कामा स्टँडर्डा लागून हांवें सारको चीफ इंजिनियर टू हांवें इवन द रायट्स पळय आहा दे आर चॅकिंग द क्वॉलिटी ऑफ द रोड. आय मेड शुअर दॅट हॉट मिक्स टार बरो घातला. सगळे रस्ते आज गोंयचे फेल जाता बिकॉज ऑफ द टार जो तूं क्वॉलिटी घालना. इफ यू डोंट बाय इट फ्रॉम द ऑफिशियल डीलर, that is the petroleum company itself, they duplicate the tar. So I saw to it that they did it. I went personally checked. I give surprise checks both to the plant and to see that that we have a reasonable quality of road. I have not that we have not done road. आमगे एकूच रोड फेल जालो, एक वनरा रोड फेल जाला आणि एक रायस रोड फेल जाला. रायस फ्रॉम रायस बाजार टू सांतीमोड. बाकी हुंचे रोड फेल जाना आणि एक राष्ट्रांतलो. सेम कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर मॅस्ड अप द थिंग. This time I am not taking the risk. I am not taking the risk. I don't want to listen. Maka, I can take bad words from anybody, but I can't take for no reason or no fault of mine.
Sir, basically your concept for these roads, you are taking time. So your concept was to do a better job?
Of course. The quality and the work done has to be par excellence. It has to last for minimum 10 years, if not at least 7 years to run on it. आनी हांवें रोड बरे केले ते 7 थिंगो कांय जालें ना. मेजर रोड्स आमी केले 7 थोडे हेच मात जाले. आनी हे पळय हांव कोत्ता पर्सनली चॅक करून कोत्ता. नॉट दॅट आदितू वर्स आमदार जावन इल्लोसो एक्सपिरियन्स जाला हाव टू डू इट एंड वॉट टू डू. मिस्टेक केले त्यो करेक्ट केले आनी मुखार केले.
आमदार हे आतां म्हणून प्रॉमीस केलेले इलेक्शनाक ती करतो हे आतां फावंडेशन स्टोन घालतात.
काम ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट जालें. वर्च्युअल फावंडेशन वर्च्युअल घालता. आनी जे प्रोजेक्ट केले 5 वर्सांनी तेंचेर सांग काम ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट केले
हितू कितले
कोत्तो म्हणपान दवरलो ना
हय हितू कितले हें जालें तें मातशें सांगल्यार
No, that we are going to give you on the third. Entire list of what we have done, including the money that has been spent. Don't worry.
No,
it will go.
you say here
my-
that it is foundation laying stone. सगळे हे तशें दिसता पूण तेका लागून म्हणटा हांव.
Everything will be. See, all projects have already started. We are doing a virtual inauguration of all the roads.
Inauguration.
Foundation of all the roads. Sorry,
All the
together,
works.
foundation stone for all the works.
Okay, thank you.
All works that I have done.
So all these works, how long will it take? किती हां
Everything will give you on that day.
कितले
Well, if you have asked a good question. Answer is in your question only. Works have already started. So it will. So when we start a virtual foundation, virtual padiam foundation stone laying kotta, काम already start झाले. Don't worry, it will come in time.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Please,
Mama, yeah.
Allegra.
Allegria. 3 तारखेर Allegria हॉलान कुर्तोरी. That's in Mayna. Yes.